there is a lot of bargaining happening when it comes to portfolios in the Maharashtra cabinet, and because of that, we are seeing that a lot of meetings have been held in the national capital. We see that amid the suspense over portfolio distribution, Maha-CM Fadnavis meets Amit Shah. Maha-Yuti Alliance in Maharashtra is grappling with internal discord over the allocation of cabinet portfolios. Key leaders of the alliance, Devendra Fadnavis, Eknath Shinde, Ajit Pawar, traveled to Delhi to hold discussions with Union Home Minister Amit Shah in a bid to resolve the stalemate. Sources indicate that disagreements over the equitable distribution of significant portfolios among the BJP, Shiv Sena and the NCP have led to mounting tensions within the alliance. So we saw that meeting take place yesterday. A very important meeting take place yesterday where Devendra Fadnavis, Amit Shah are holding late-night meetings in Delhi amid Maharashtra portfolio suspense. And we'll try to go across to our reporters too to understand what we can expect next. Remember, the meeting is coming in over suspense on who will get which portfolio. I want to go across to my colleague who's joining us. Gopi is joining us live. Gopi, I'm coming across to you. And Gopi, we have been tracking the story so closely, and Maha-Yuti got thumping numbers, very, very strong numbers in those assembly elections. But the question right now is, who will get which portfolio? There seems to be a fight over it. Number two, who were the leaders from Maharashtra who were present at that late-night meeting with the BJP top brass, which took place last night? Go ahead, Gopi, take us through the latest details that we're learning of.
Well, Shivangi, good morning to the viewers. Now, when you speak of the cabinet expansion, which is likely to take place on coming 14th in Maharashtra, there are repeated meetings that are happening in Delhi. We have witnessed one such meeting happening last night at Amit Shah's residence, where JP Nadda and Devendra Fadnavis, the Maharashtra Chief Minister, were present. Now, this comes after a crucial meeting which took place in the evening, a day before, with all the two deputy chief ministers as well as chief minister, and they had in fact almost finalized on the cabinet berth distribution, which happens to be what sources tell us is BJP would have 22 berths, while Shiv Sena led by Eknath Shinde and NCP will have 11 and 10 each. Speaking of the portfolios, most probably yesterday, what we are learning from our sources is that there was discussion over the crucial portfolios. Now, BJP is most likely to keep the crucial portfolios, which includes home as well as revenue, while Eknath Shinde led Shiv Sena would continue with the urban development, which he has always handled, while speaking of NCP, they are going to keep revenue with themselves. Now, there is probably an issue with two important portfolios, which includes agriculture and PWD, Public Works Department. So these are the kind of discussions probably which would take place. There is tussle over distribution of portfolios among the three parties. But yes, all is well because the BJP top brass leaders are in communion with the Chief Minister as well as the Deputy Chief Ministers of Maharashtra, and there is a possibility that cabinet expansion might take place on 14th. But instead of 30 ministers who were expected to take oath on 14th, it is unlikely, and there is a possibility that over 12 to 13 ministers might take oath on the 14th, which includes 3 to 4 cabinet ministers of each party. Back to you, Shivangi.
That is right.